Good morning, everybody. All right, I know a lot of you are excited to take a guess on how many hats I own, but I'm going to save that for last, save the best for last. First thing I want to do is talk about informal and formal. Now, we've been looking at formal language and informal language. We also should use formal language when we write a letter, which you will be doing tomorrow. So just a reminder, also use punctuation, capital letters, things like that. And if you're going to use a proper noun, make sure you capitalize it. The next thing I want to talk about is topic and main idea. Now, topic and main idea. So a topic is one or two words about what the text or book is about. The main idea is important details. So I got a book here. It's an old one. Shout out, maybe Coach Billman might have used this when he was a kid or younger. But it's an NBA make the play. Even comes with a full court dry erase board. Pretty cool. Don't have very many informational text. I found this one locked away in storage somewhere. So I'm going to go ahead and look at my book here. NBA, make the play. So the topic is going to be about making plays for basketball. So I'm going to open it up here. Just pick a random page. And it says fast break. So then I would say, all right, this page is all about the fast break in basketball. And it's got Jason Kidd when he played for the New York Nets on it. Tells you how old it is. And then the main idea of this page would be the back door. So it's got some talks about the back door, how to set a screen, how to get open for the layup or the jump shot off the back door. Also has a little play drawn. So my topic is about making basketball plays, but I have different main ideas for each page. Here's another one, blocking out. So this page, the main idea is going to be about boxing out. So that's just a quick little rundown of topic versus main idea. Pretty cool book. I don't know if I ever used it as a kid, honestly. I just kind of found it. So, all right, let's go ahead and get right into our math lesson. All right. Oh, there we go. Chapter 12, lesson 4. We're looking at three-dimensional shapes, 3D shape. We're done with 2D shapes, squares, rectangles, things like that. Let's move on ahead. Problem of the day. There are 3 rectangles. The red rectangle is longer than the blue. The blue is longer than the green. Draw and color the 3 rectangles. So on your own, take some time, pause the video, to draw me those 3 triangles. There you go. They didn't color them, but I should have a green, a blue, and a red rectangle. Quick check. Draw the shapes based on the number of sides and angles. A shape with 3 sides and 3 angles. You can draw it, or you can tell the person sitting next to you. 3 sides, 3 angles. I'm going to say triangle. Good job. Sorry, excuse me. How about a shape with 6 sides and 6 angles? Go ahead and discuss that with the person next to you. And you should have described or drew a hexagon. So as practice, Caleb cut out a shape that has 4 sides and 4 angles. Which shape did he cut out? Pentagon, rectangle, triangle, or hexagon? Correct answer is a rectangle. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this. So let's talk about how you can identify a 3-dimensional shape, 3D shape. So to identify a 3D shape, we're no longer talking about sides and angles. We're going to talk about faces, which is the flat side, and the edges, which is where 2 faces meet. Now, where multiple edges and faces meet is called a vertex, and that's a point. So here I'm looking at a face, an edge, vertex, all right? So we don't have to draw the line to match the real world shape to these 3D shapes, but we're just gonna go ahead and look at them. I got a pyramid, a cone, a a cylinder, a sphere, and a rectangular prism. Over here, hopefully you can identify which of each of these shapes would match the shapes over here. If you want to go ahead and pause it and discuss what shape these are, go ahead. You should have said this was a cylinder, a sphere, cone, rectangular prism, and a pyramid. All right, Lisa is going to bed. Draw 4 real-world shapes on her bedroom floor. The shapes of the objects should be a cylinder, a cube, a sphere, and a pyramid. You don't have to draw those shapes, but go ahead and talk to the person next to you what you could have placed on her bedroom floor. That's a cylinder, a cube, a sphere, and a pyramid. Looks like they put a can of pop, a toy cube, a baseball, and a pyramid. All right. Again, today, kind of a short math lesson. Let me see here. See if I can get out of here. All right, well, I guess I'm going to be small. I've went ahead and put the math worksheets on Seesaw. They'll be readily available. So now here comes the fun part. Let's see what some good guesses were. Kyler, you had 10. Laura, to get out checking Kyler's work, you guessed 20. Colton, 18. Avea, 12. Emma, 29. Isaac, 54. Benton, 32 hats. AJ said 29, as well did Olivia. Brady, 48. Steph sent me a couple guesses. She said either own 30, 12, or 8 hats. Well, guys, if you were to ask my wife, it would probably have been Isaac or Brady. That's right. But let's go ahead and check, see how many hats I do officially own. So we got 1, 2. I really like this one. 3. It's my softball coaching hat or spring sports. 3. We're on number 4. My golf hat, maybe. 5. 6. This one was a gift. Played for the River Bandits. Oh, here's my old hat. Woo. 7. 8 is my regular go-to. Got my Detroit Tigers hat. Number 9. One of my favorite ones. Number 10. And I'm sorry to disappoint, guys, but save the best for last, especially for you, Anderson. Guys, I only own 11 hats. Nobody guessed correctly. I had 3 people that were close. Kyler, Avea, Stephanie, you guys were 1 off. So I'll let you, instead of a whole day, you can skip one assignment. Sorry to disappoint, guys. I don't have 54 hats. I wish I did. All right. Thanks a lot, guys.